Thokoza bokhokho nomkhulu saluka sandoda lesugogo bathini bathi mawuvula kuvala emzini mayamadoda u-anti Usha uGift umalume number 1 locksmith. We're cutting another key today. Gogo, what happened if somebody in the family, they have done something with ancestors so that ancestors are waiting for them? Gogo, somebody went to fetch something, whether it's a snake or whatever. Then what happens to the victim of that thing? Gogo, sizwile ukuthi sibani bani uthwele in the family. So we want to know ukuthi, for us as victims, as we are the ones that he or she is using our luck for themselves. Gogo, what then? It's a very sensitive topic yet again, because this topic was proposed long time ago by you guys to say, Gogo, because now we become the victims, especially if you can look at a video that titled Ukuthwala ngedlozi. That video let's just go through the comments, and then realize that people really wants to know ukuthi, Gogo, what then do we do in that case? There's a different types of ukuthwala, and these different types of ukuthwala, they've got different rules and regulations, terms and conditions that people need to follow. It is very difficult of me to give examples, because I'll be offending other people or accusing other people wrongly for so. So we really need to be careful, as we are in all the videos, because I'll be giving an example and nothing is happening to you. It's happening to you, but only to find out, no, it's not happening because of your brother, your uncle, your mother, your father, your grandmother, your grandfather is doing something on you. But you'll jump into conclusions because we're human and say, yeah, man, yes, I thought as much. You know, I really thought as much. Yes, this is what is happening in my family. Only to find out, no, that's not the case. So I am not doing this video, guys. I'm just saying to you, if you are suspecting something, please go and do the consultation. If you are suspecting something, I think something is fishy here. I think really, I think something is fishy here. No, this thing doesn't make sense. No. You know, why is this thing always happen? Why are they always doing this? Why are they always saying this? Why are they always going there? There's many examples that if I can do, guys, I really going to divert or accuse people of things that they didn't do. So we need to be careful when we're dealing with such things. Because, you know, when I do the video, I want to put an example, not just in general as an example, but a direct example. So being known of direct examples on this particular video is going to put me into trouble. is going to put me into trouble, because there are people that are doing certain rituals at a certain times, at a certain number of times, for different reasons. But as soon as you hear issue yokuthi yeah, ogogo bathini mbata uthi these are the signs that you will see ukuthi this, it's different when we're talking about isilwane. You'll forgive me guys, I have flu. It's different that when you talk about isilwane. I apologize. It's different like when you're talking about isilwane. Talking about isilwane, how do you see that you have a spiritual partner? What are the signs of a spiritual partner? Because why that thing happens to you personally. I don't say whenever you dream of usbani bani, you must know that they are doing something on you. I didn't say that. And I know if whatever you're doing with somebody, this means they're doing something on you. But I ran away from that in some of the examples that I gave in other videos. So on this particular one, I would like us guys to agree in saying not everything will be unpacked in social media. There are things that needs you to go and do a consultation when you suspect ukuthi there's something wrong, and you must be sure ukuthi what your suspicions are correct. If you suspect, you cannot be 100% correct, but you've got facts that support with why are you suspicious of certain acts that are happening into their lives, into their family, into your family. Maybe you're sharing a family, at work, in the business, in the community, it doesn't matter. We need to be clear, guys, because we're going to find ourselves in a situation whereby Ugogo Bathini Mbata is going to court, because Ugogo Bathini Mbata on the international platform said everybody that does this, it means. Now I need to go and prove myself in court. Guys, I don't have money. No, guys, I'm a very poor healer. Maybe the most poor healer in the planet. I can't afford to go there. I can't, guys. I can't. I won't afford to go there. I can't even afford this. What was this thing? The 100 rand a month, the legal aid, whatever, 100 rand or something. I can't even afford that. So I don't want to find myself in courts and be arrested for misleading, because that's how the court is going to see it. So I had to call clients that are clued up when it comes to issues of law. Somebody that is clued up when it comes to issues of the gazetted document for social media content and everything. I had to be safe, and they all said no, but this one will put you into trouble. However, cannot leave you naked, nani pela. Cannot sell you guys and just leave you just like that. I guys, this one I'm not doing it. Zambanos Bonela, no. Monitor people. Learn to pay attention into yourself first. Learn to pay attention into other people. And you'll be able to see changes, or those changes are normal or they are not normal. And learn to listen to them when they speak. You will definitely get a clue ukuthi hayi ubathini hayi ubathini hayi. For example, many people, they want me to talk about this ring. Hey Coco, you've been having this ring for 2 years now and everything. You don't want to tell us and everything, because it's going to mislead you guys. I will be explaining my ring. Like these people who are scamming people on social media, Uguti ring for this, watch for this is Gogo Bathini Mbata ring, this is what. That's not me. I don't advertise things. So The issue, again, of being a victim for induced wealth, ukuthi how do you see? You know wena ukuthi ubone kanjani. Go for consultation. Go and see somebody. That person will be able to tell you, to say, something is wrong. And stop forcing healers to tell the names, because other healers, they will tell you that somebody will say a name that you know, you can familiarize that name with somebody, or you can just direct that name in your family. You don't even want to know ukuthi ubathini bambuzelani. You have already concluded uyokuloyayo. Only to find out I was asking about Ubatini because I can pick up already which Ubatini is your brother and Ubatini is very gifted, for example. But because we are busy, we're talking about many things, I end up not telling you to say, the reason I was asking about Ubatini is A, B, C, D, E. Then I will tell you about the brother that I cannot name. And the brother can be the brother from another mother, can be the brother from your mother, can be a brother as your cousin. But because of I've mentioned the name Batin, you are now stuck on Batin to say, ugogo Batin but keep ngegama. Gogo Batin Mbata told me even the name ukuthi uwe ongiloyayo. What will happen to Gogo Batin Mbata? What will happen to you guys as a family, as friends? What will happen to that workplace? What will happen in the community? We can't. I'm trying to find the document, because apparently it was documented that healers are not supposed to mention names. But I cannot raise my hand and say, yes, healers are not supposed to. But I'm just scared. Coco, do names comes to you? Yes, they do. Not all the time, but yes, they do. Most of the time, yes, most of the time they do. So let's be careful, guys, when we are seeking for information. Social media is there to give us clues or which direction we must take. If we see this, if we are suspicious with something, then this one says, I must go and do consultation. Anyway, to a person that I trust. Then that person will be able to tell you what is happening, what is happening. There's another example. You are doing a ritual. Maybe a ritual for abortion, a ritual for miscarriage, a ritual for a passing of your parent, of your child, of your partner, of your husband, of your wife, and everything. I cannot then come and say this is how it's done. But I can come and say this is how I do it. There's no standard things that one will say, no, definitely, if that thing happens because of, there isn't. So let's be careful, guys. Let's go and do a consultation. You know, I'm not a fan of a consultation. But on that particular one that you want to know, or as a victim, what then you should do. By the way, as a victim, it might be difficult for yourself to even stand up and go and look for help. Guys, get used of using a rough salt. Get use of using a rough salt. Just bath with it. While uphahla, speaking to your ancestors with the candles yellow and blue at 12 midnight, please also use the salt, because the salt is going to help you to wake up. Papam. Salt, it's your brain coffee. Salt wakes up your brain by removing all the negative forces into your body. Because sometimes when you are captured, maybe to be used, where not direct, to be used ukuthi I want to get wealthy with ubathini, and you suspect ukuthi man, something is wrong. Ugogo khona into angangitsheli yona. Yazi ugogo vele athi bathini kayi-1. I'm not saying if somebody calls you once, this means there's something they've done. Actually, let me stop this video because I'm getting out of hand. The same thing that I say I mustn't do, now I'm doing it. So let's go and do a consultation and find out ukuthi how do I see ukuthi nami I'm captured or not. And when you get there, just say I'm here for consultation. Oh, amatam. Then the bones will tell what I, or the spirit will tell what I call. When you are captured, when you are a walking zombie, somebody has done something like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. You need to get this cleansing and that cleansing and that cleansing. Because sometimes if you want to go and search for such things, you put together money, it's finished and everything. Because the person that is doing that to you, they don't want you to find out it's them that are doing that to you. So it is very important that we are careful. We are extremely careful in this thing. Let's be careful. Let's not lie to each other and everything. Let's be careful, period. And stop going around telling people that you suspect has done something with our family. That's why they are rich and we are poor and everything. Stop assuming. Go and research, guys. It's not everyone that is rich because of they're using something. There are people that they work hard naturally. And lucky them, they are not being disturbed as yet. And probably they will die not being disturbed by anything. They are just hard workers, smart workers. They just do what it takes. There are people, it's not a matter of he's a hard worker, but that person doesn't sleep. They do what it takes for them to get where they are. It has nothing to do with this twal. They don't even have your mere scope. There's nothing that they talk about that they have you that we can say no. Yeah, I know Spanbani. There's something that they talk to. There's something that they feed. There's something that they do. There are people, lot of people, who are where they are because of themselves. There's no one behind them who can raise their hands and say, I gave him or her this thing and this thing. When a person comes and take his scope at home or anything, others, they used to say, Coco, can I record? Yes, we stopped the recording. Because others, they come to record and then it's a trap. The next thing, the record falls into wrong platforms. But I used to allow them. Okay, it's fine. Why? Because it is, whoever can hear Uguti. There's no part of the conversation that was not recorded. But still, there's no proof Uguti, what has been said to you after that recording. So there's no point. Not everyone or everybody that is wealthy whereby they've done something. And many people, they are doing something for them to be wealthy, for them to make things to happen, for them to push things to happen. And they know what it takes for them to achieve that. They know it doesn't come easy. They know it doesn't come cheap. And they are willing to go the hard way to achieve it. Then you come and say, just yesterday, this guy was nothing. Uvuka manje, uvuka manje, hey, things are fine and everything. This guy was nothing yesterday. You don't know what they were doing. You're assuming that they just woke up now and everything and smelled the coffee. You don't know how much did it take for them to be where they are. One of the countries I wanted to go to, I didn't have a much of the reason that I wanted to go to when after I formally accepted my calling. It's Jamaica. I didn't know Uguti, why was I supposed to go to Jamaica. But if the client comes to you and say, Gogo, I need this, and I said, huh? I've never heard about it. Two, I don't even know where to get that thing. Then the person says, no, Gogo, Tiwe, you'll get it in Jamaica. Then I ask a person, do you know how much to get to Jamaica? Do you know how far is Jamaica from Africa? Do you know how far is Jamaica from South Africa? Gogo, I was sent to you, then I researched you, and then I found you. I'm here to say this thing is found in Jamaica, and this is the name of the thing. And I was told, even if I can go to Jamaica, I will never find it. I must come to you so that you go to Jamaica on my behalf to put this thing together. After I've used it, you can now use it as well for your other clients. You're done when you say that to me. That's it. That's it. That's why then I'm going to Jamaica very soon. It's not me. I was sent. Who's going to pay for that trip? It's not me. I can't afford to go to Jamaica on my own. I've been wanting to go to Jamaica. And it's not me that said to them, no, this thing I can find it in Jamaica. Yes, I do suggest other things. I do. It is my responsibility to suggest other things. I do. But this one I didn't. Because they are doing what it takes for them to achieve what they want to achieve. Period. Nothing else. There's no other way. So, lastly, maybe instead of having too much suspicions and you don't have answers, you don't have confirmations, you have tried everything on the book, maybe you should do something about your life. Maybe where now you should go and look for something as Opilis. There's a lot of healers across the globe that you can do a research and everything to say, where can I find this particular thing? But please, guys, avoid going to somewhere and just buy something from the market or just go to the tree. Guys, there's muti that needs rituals for you to go and dig that muti. There's muti that needs you to abstain for 3 months before you can go and dig that muti. You don't just wake up in the morning, guys, and decide, they said I must get this muti. It's found in whatever mountain, mountain of Kilimanjaro, or wherever, Drakensberg mountain, whatever you go, you find it, you come back, then you say the muti is not working. Then you claim, Gogo, I've traveled. Gogo, I've went all over. Kanti wena, you wanted to, you prescribed for yourselves and you wanted to heal yourself. There are people who are spiritually gifted that makes that muti to work. If somebody can show you a tree that is used to make the paper that makes money, you can have a tree like this. What are you going to do with that tree? Because you don't know the process of making that paper to be money. And that paper, that tree, and that paper, it doesn't just go. It's a matter of, okay, here's it. Here's it. Here's it. And that's it. No. There are other things that comes in. It's printed, it's written something, it's designed, it has some minerals that are attached to it to give it value, so that it converts it from just a piece of designed, well-designed piece and everything. It has a different texture and everything. It does things that the normal paper doesn't do. Then they call it what? Currency, money. Muti works the same way. Yes, Muti called umavula kuvaliwe. Khona umuthi obizwa ukuthi umavula kuvaliwe. Muti called what else can I do example of? Umhlakaza, unokani, umpunyu. I can mention any muti. It doesn't just work, Jen. Yes, you'll hear somebody praising it to say, this one on its own, it does something. Yes, the healer said that to you. But it doesn't mean that it's on its own. There is a spirit that is attached to it. Let me go sleep. Tozan.